Hi everyone, I wanted to address a question about hydrochloric acid versus enzymes. So people have asked, Rob, what's the difference? Aren't they the same thing? And they are not the same thing in regards to your digestive system. So with the hydrochloric acid, this is really important to understand. And if you look at the digestive process of you start chewing food, that affects hydrochloric acid production. So if you don't chew your food enough, you're compromising your HCl production. Now, what you need to understand here, the biggest difference is that with hydrochloric acid, as you're eating food, it goes down your esophagus into your stomach. The whole purpose of hydrochloric acid is to acidify the stomach. So it's to sterilize your gut, not your gut, but your stomach to be specific. And the reason for that is that the pH is between about 1, maybe up to 3, maybe high 2s. That's very acidic. It's a consistency of battery acid. So that's there to protect your body. So if you accidentally swallow a parasite from bad sushi or bacteria or any sort of pathogen, goes in your stomach and it's so acidic they cannot survive. So that's the biggest difference between hydrochloric acid and the enzymes. Now, there is also the impact of hydrochloric acid and your enzyme production. So as the food, the HCl, water gets mixed up in the stomach, it's like I just call it a big cement mixer. And so as that gets mixed up and churned up, it starts to move on to your small intestine. So as it goes to the small intestine, the upper part here is called the duodenum. And there's receptors there, and they sense the pH, whether it's very acidic or more alkaline. It has to be acidic because that sends a signal to the pancreas gland, and then that's where the enzymes are produced in the small intestine. Your proteases digest your proteins, your lipases digest your fat, and your amylases, sucrases digest your carbohydrates. So in the long run, you may need enzymes, but it may be the fact that you don't produce enough HCl, enough acid, and that's why you're needing enzymes and you react well to enzymes. But if you look higher upstream, you just need more hydrochloric acid, and oftentimes that may be the trick towards helping you break down your protein, fats, and your carbohydrates. But in the grand scheme of things, the HCl here is very, very important because, again, that's there to sterilize your gut so that you don't have any potential pathogens allowing to get a free pass, so to speak. So hopefully that explains the difference between HCl and enzymes. Until next time, eat well to feel well.